Appendi ji.
Chairman sir, I thanks for giving me an opportunity. Sir,
कल जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट
we welcome the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court on SC's reservation, sir, and we support from my party, sir. Honorable Chairman sir, I thanks for giving me an opportunity to speak on the Young India Skill University Bill. As our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Bhatti Vikrama Sahab, referring to this proposed university in his budget speech, has announced that the government of Telangana decided to establish and run the Telangana Bill University in Hyderabad during this financial year in a PPP mode. According to his statement, the objective of the university is to develop the world-class skill for our youth to make them job competitive locally and globally. Giving more detail of the proposed university, the Telangana Socio-Economic Outlook 2024 says that the university will be located in the Engineering Staff College of India campus at Gachibowli. Is close to IT companies and other industries. The initiative to establish this university is the need of the hour, no doubt, but the bill seeks the name the university as Young India Skill University. I would request you that the university be named as Telangana Skill University and an official amendment shall be moved in this regard. It is also necessary to ensure that the fees structure does not become a burden on the student for the weaker section. As I may recall that Telugu Desam government in United AP has established an Indian School of Business at Hyderabad under the PPP mode, but soon the institution become allied business school of the country with prohibitively high fees much beyond the capacity of the student from poor section to afford. The skill university cannot be allowed to turn into another IBS in the PPP mode. Already the state government is implementing many initiatives for imparting training on a big scale through several departments and spending thousands of crores of rupees every year. Some of these initiatives include Skill Development Center in the Government Polytechnic under Technical Education Department, Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge and Technology, Advanced Technology Center in all Government Industry Training Institute under Labor Employment and Training Department, SETWIN in Hyderabad, and STEP in all other districts to skill training under the Youth Service Department, Telangana Skill and Knowledge Center under the Department of Education, Jawaharlal Nehru Technical University, Jawaharlal Nehru Archaeology, Architectural and Fine Arts University, Telangana Academy for Skill and Knowledge under Information Technology, Electronic and Communication Department. I would request the government to refer the bill to select the committee so that there can be a wider deliberation and comprehensive bills to redraft it, the same in interest of the state and the student. I conclude, sir, with these few lines, sir. Thank you, sir.
Afendi garu, definitely it will become a world-class skill institute, sir. We will make every graduate or undergraduate or 7th passed out, 7th dropped or 10th or 12th dropped out, a job ready human resource. We are, and आप जो बोले पहले इंजीनियरिंग स्टाफ कॉलेज ऑफ इंडिया में शुरू करेंगे, बाद में कल मुच्चरला में जो हमारे मुख्यमंत्री जी ने वहाँ पर फाउंडेशन डाले, 1 साल के बाद most probably 1.5 years from now, we will start our university from that premises. At about 65 acres have been given for that university. And आपके भी बोलेंगे fee structure will never be a burden because we are tying up with the fees reimbursement. So this has also been told by our Honorable CM. अभी जो बोले youth services का, task का, वो फाइन आर्ट्स का यूनिवर्सिटी है, जो लेबर डिपार्टमेंट्स है, जो कहीं कहीं सेटविन का जो है, all that will come under one umbrella now. We may be using the SETWIN premises, but it will also be guided and monitored by the skill university. We will try to, because Bringing all those into, we need some sort of a amendment. So we will try to bring all that skilling exercises which have been done by all other departments under one umbrella. So that umbrella, you know, all these things what you mentioned, definitely will, you know, make it under one umbrella.